Hello and welcome back to HardReset.info. In this video, I will show you how to fix your auto brightness not working on POCO F7. Let's begin. And simply let's start with making sure that our auto brightness is enabled. We can easily do that by going into settings, then scrolling down into display and brightness. Now, as you can see, we have auto brightness enabled. If you don't have this, then your auto brightness feature will not work. Also, I will simply switch to light mode. It doesn't really have anything to do with the tutorial. I just think that it makes a video more clear. So, once you have your auto brightness enabled, then everything should work. However, sometimes it still doesn't. Then you want to simply reboot your phone. You can do that by pressing power button and volume up button at the same time, and then going down to reboot. Now I know that this may sound kind of silly, but it does make sense, because whenever you reboot your phone, you're not only rebooting any kind of software, of course, but also all kinds of hardware, including the sensors that are responsible for detecting brightness levels around you. These are pretty important, and then you will be able to simply use the auto brightness feature. I hope so. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.